Some charts can be misleading. Often this is done deliberately, and you'll see many misleading charts in financial papers such as the Financial Times. As an example, consider this bar chart. Sales are on the vertical axis, but note that there is no scale on this axis. We have the figures for 2003, 2004 and 2005. And it looks like there's a massive increase in the sales over these 3 years. But we don't know what the scale actually represents. Let's suppose the scale here actually starts at 100. And this value is 105. Then really there hasn't been that much increase over the 3 years. It would be totally different if the scale started at 0 here and went up to 1,000. Then the increase would be as massive as it looks. This same effect can be even more confusing on a pictogram. Let's look at this analysis of Formula 1 viewers. In 2003 to 2005, there's a big increase. If we look at the car for 2005, it looks absolutely huge compared to that for 2003. However, if it's the height that represents the amount of data, then even if the scale starts at 0, we can see the figures have barely more than doubled. So the increase looks a lot bigger because of the picture. Pictograms can be very misleading if a clear key is not given. So whenever you look at any diagram in the paper, look carefully at the axes to see if any increase or decrease is as dramatic as it actually looks.